In today's episode, I'm back with another recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. We are making a one-pot rice and chicken dish, and we're going to be using the chicken wings. With me, I have my ingredients. From this corner, I have my spices. I have some turmeric, some chicken masala, paprika, garlic. I have some salt. I have my unwashed rice, and I'm going to wash this in a few. I have some cooking oil, my coriander leaves, my capsicum, coriander stems, onions, garlic, ginger, some carrots, some tomatoes, and tomato paste. And finally, I have my chicken wings. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to first start by separating my chicken wings, and I'm going to separate it like this, so that I can have this and I can have this. And for today's recipe, we are going to be using this. We are going to use this in tomorrow's recipe. Now that we have this, I'm going to season them with some turmeric, I'll add in some paprika, and finally I'll go in with some garlic powder. I'm also going to add some salt. Then I'm going to season this, and if at all you have time, you can let it marinate, but I do not have the time, so I'm just going to start cooking it right away. So if at all you have the time, you can let this marinate up to 6 hours or even a day, as long as you put it in the fridge. Since I do not have that time, I'm going to proceed right away to cook them, and I'm going to start by washing my rice. Then I'll see you on the other side. So we are going to start off by cooking our chicken halfway, not completely. So I'll add in some cooking oil. Then I'll wait for that to become hot, then I can go in with my chicken. So I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes, and our chicken should almost be done at that point, but not fully done. So about 5-6 minutes later, you can see the beautiful crust that we have, and this is post wanted. So I'm going to switch that off. Then I'm going to set these pieces aside. So remember, this is a one pot dish, and I'll go in with my ginger. If you need to add more oil, you can add, but I do not. So I've added in my ginger. Then I'm also going to add in my onions. Then once the onions turn how I like them, translucent, I'll go in with my tomatoes and tomato paste. Then I'm also going to add in my garlic. Then I'm going to add some water to deglaze the bottom and also help the tomato paste cook a little bit faster. I'll give this about a minute, then I'll be back. Now that I'm happy with this, I'll go in with my other veggies. So I'll start by adding my coriander stems, then I'll go in with my carrots, and finally my capsicum. Then remember we add some spice mix. So that's what I'm going to add. If I told you I was finished, you can add more of the same spices. And remember, we did not use our chicken masala, so I'm going to add that as well. Then I'm also going to add a small pinch of salt because the spice mix has some salt already. So that should be okay as well. This is what we have. Then I'll go in with my washed rice. You can see this already looks beautiful. So it's time to go in with my water. You can add hot or cold water. It just works as good as the other. I added 1 glass of rice. I'm going to be adding 2 glasses of water. And always remember to measure your rice and your water. That's the second one. And also remember, our chicken is not yet cooked. It's not yet fully cooked at this point. I'm going to be back and I'll show you where and at what point you need to add it in our pot. So I'm going to cover this for about 5 or so minutes, and once the water starts reducing, I'll be back. So a couple of minutes later, we can see that the water has reduced, and we can now say it's starting to go below the rice, and this is the perfect time to introduce our chicken. Then I also have some chicken juices. I'm going to add that in as well. Then for this other step, you can decide to finish it here, but I'm going to finish mine in the oven. So I'm going to switch this off, then I'll transfer this to the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees. And if at all you do not have an oven, you can just let it do its thing up on the gas. Our chicken is going to be fully ready as well. So finally, our food is ready, and I'm going to sprinkle some coriander leaves. And you can see this looks very appetizing. Then I'm going to cover it for about 5 or so minutes. Then I'll see you for serving and tasting. So finally my food is ready and you can see how delicious it looks. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. And for the chicken, you can see there's no blood at the bone. That means our chicken is well done. Wow. And the flavors in the rice, amazing. Wow. I hope you'll give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.